What the
Hello everyone, my name is Nick. This is my little channel I like to call Sunday Driver Rides. Thank you for joining me. I do appreciate it. All right, it's warmer out. I put the tarp back up. I don't gotta worry about just keeping one side of the garage warm with my infinite supply of space heaters. It's nice to get the tarp up. It just makes the garage seem bigger, more spacious, which it is. Anyway, the 68 Firebird, we're not going to talk about this. We're close on it. Hopefully next episode I come out with, I'll show you more what I've done with this thing. This episode, we're going to talk about this and the mistake that I made with it. Pretty big mistake.
What'd you do?
When I pulled this out of that 80s Dodge van with Dad last winter. We looked at the sticker on it, and on the sticker it said 5.9 liter, which is the 360 engine. So that great, 360, super. So, you know, a couple episodes ago, I went and I pulled the heads off of it and whatnot, and I'm looking at the cylinder walls. I'm like, man, there's not much of a lip here. That's great. Really excited about that. Thinking to myself, maybe I don't gotta bore out. Maybe I can just dingle ball this thing, you know, re-ring it, call it a party. So, after I, put that episode out, I came out with my mic and I mic'd these. And they mic'd, I believe, under 4-inch bore. And I researched it, and all 360 bores are 4 inches or more. And I thought to myself, cylinder walls, they don't get smaller over time, they get bigger. So what's going on? So after a little bit more research and actually looking at the block, found out the hard way that this is a 318, not a 360.
Man, that sucks!
That sucks. That really sucks. So, literally moments after I found out, my dad called me. And you could tell in my voice, he's like, what's going on? You know? I go, I just found out this dang thing's a 316 or a 318, not a 360. He goes, give it to me. I said, okay. He goes, I'll give you that 383 that he's got. It's never been gone through, so I'm going to guess I'm going to go through it. So, but yeah, but thanks, Dad. I appreciate it. Yeah, you are my hero once again, saving my hide.
I love you, Dad.
So yeah, so we're still gonna rebuild this 318. I work at a machine shop, so I actually brought the heads to work and I started working on them. I found a crack in one, and unfortunately, I was not able to fix it. So, because of that, I had to go to the junkyard a week or so ago with Dad and find another head for it, which I did, and I'll show you right now. All right, here's my head. That's what I need. The casting number matches what I can use on that 318. Let's get it out of there. Ouch, gums. It's all yours. Thank you. Success. So I took that head to work and I took it apart, and inside of it, as I pulled out a valve, was a petrified spider, all covered in oil. So it was it's pretty neat. It scared the piss out of me, I'm not gonna lie. You could tell it had like a leaf down there that it had something in it, and it was going to make into a snack, but not something you see every day, that's for sure. So at the moment, that's where we're at with the 318, not a 360. My apologies for that. I really did. When I saw that sticker on the van, I thought, oh, it's a 360. 360 is big enough for that Charger. I'm happy with that. Nope. Look at the block, Nick. So that's the lesson. Don't just trust the sticker that you find on the vehicle for what size engine you're hoping is in it. Look actually at the block. Don't do what I did. And the other lesson, be careful when you take the engine apart because you might piss yourself taking it apart with what you find in there. It was pretty crazy finding that spider in there. It was cool. It was cool. So, but we're still going to build this 318. Dad actually is thinking about putting it in his 50, I think it's a 51 or 52 Dodge Coronet. So it should be pretty cool in that, it'd be really cool. That should make the car go a little quicker and, just have a little bit more fun with it. That's all. So, but yeah, that's it. That's my I'm not too bright story of the day. So, and with that, I think we're going to call that an episode. Thank you for watching. I sure do appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, all that fun stuff, you'd be my hero. I would appreciate it. Just shows that people are still out there enjoying the silly things that I do. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Take care.